this course, we study Pali through weekly live Zoom classes, along with structured exercises, guided explanations, and continuous practice using Google Classroom and Quizlet. Our course has now brought together 149 students from 26 countries, including 21 monastics and 128 lay practitioners. We are learning Pali grammar, vocabulary, declensions, and translations in a systematic way. I sincerely appreciate your dedication, regular participation, and the effort many of you are putting into completing the assignments. We have students from Australia, Bangladesh, Brazil, Myanmar, Cambodia, Canada, Estonia, Germany, India, Ireland, Italy, Kenya, Malaysia, Mexico, Nepal, New Zealand, Poland, Russia, Singapore, Spain, Sri Lanka, Sweden, Thailand, United Kingdom, United States, and Vietnam. That's such a beautiful global community, isn't it? It's truly inspiring to see such a global community united in learning the sacred language of the Buddha.